Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Porsche Macan battery, updated. Start by locating the charge port on the vehicle and confirming the connector type. Plug in a compatible level 2 charger or the supplied portable charger, then confirm charging status on the dashboard. Monitor charging until it reaches your target state of charge and unplug carefully, stowing the cable neatly. Regular maintenance and correct charging habits improve long-term battery performance and reliability. Choosing the right charger matters for convenience and battery life. For daily needs, a level 2 charger balances speed and longevity, while a level 1 can fill in when you have more time. Reserve DC fast charging for long trips or urgent needs because it stresses the battery more. Always verify connector compatibility and amperage limits before charging. Keep charging equipment clean and stored properly to avoid damage or connection issues over time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes home cleanup simple and relaxing while you handle car chores. It's a small upgrade that saves time and energy, and it pairs nicely with a tidy garage routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Small habits make a big difference for battery longevity and convenience. Set your car to charge to around 80% for daily driving and save full charges for longer journeys. Preconditioning the battery before charging improves efficiency in extreme temperatures. Use scheduled charging to save on electricity costs and reduce grid strain. Regularly inspect connectors for corrosion or damage, and follow recommended service intervals to keep performance consistent and avoid unexpected charging problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.